How's it going, guys? Devin here to introduce you guys to the new saltwater fish of the week. For our first fish of the day, we have not one but two of the ever active and fun, beautiful Timor wrasse. These guys have a wonderful green background with bright neon orange speckling all over the body. They're wonderful, fun, active, and really just a joy to keep. One of my personal favorite wrasses, actually. And there's actually two of them now. What a wonderful fish. For our next fish, we have the ever regal and always beautiful passer angel. These are a wonderful species, amazing captives, and just absolutely gorgeous. They definitely earn their secondary name of King Angel because they are one of the greatest angels out there. And definitely a favorite here. This is a very fun, happy, active guy. And a great way to add a lot of color and motion to any tank. Continuing on our trend of angel royalty, we have the beautifully adorned Regal Angel. Just like the passer angel, these guys have beautiful, vibrant colors. It'll add a splash of movement and love to any tank. There you are. Wonderful. And to conclude our lineup of angel royalty, we have none other than the Emperor Angel. This stunning fish is beautiful circle and semicircle patterns all over its body and vibrant blues and whites. Truly another beautiful species to add to the Royal Angel lineup. Continuing today's accidental theme of angels and wrasses is this gorgeous red velvet wrasse. As these guys begin to mature, they will exhibit a wide array of stunning colors. Not to mention that they're already just a beautiful, fun, active fish to keep. Truly another wonderful captive. Our next new animal to showcase is actually a pair of animals in the Watchman Goby and the pistol shrimp. These guys form an interesting commensal and mutualistic relationship in which both parties benefit. The pistol shrimp is an excavator and great at making burrows, as you can see it doing here. But it has very poor vision and has a hard time looking out for predators. The Watchman Goby does not really possess the ability to make burrows itself, but has great eyesight and is more than happy to watch out over the pistol shrimp while it makes its burrow. Interesting, the pistol shrimp will usually always keep one or two antennae touching the Watchman Goby at all times, waiting for it to give the signal about whether or not danger is present. These guys do great in pairs and will stay together their entire lives. It's such an interesting and fun relationship to watch between these two. Our next species to highlight is a personal favorite of mine in the Pom Pom Crab. These fun little invertebrates actually have anemones on their claw tips, which they wave around to help oxygenate and catch food. And they've formed a relationship with these anemones where both parties benefit. But more importantly than that, they're just adorable. These guys are small and relatively easy to care for and a lot of fun to keep. And they look like little cheerleaders. Our next species here is going to be the beautiful blue-faced angelfish. These guys are a great way to add a splash of color to any tank with beautiful neon blues and vibrant yellows. They'd make a wonderful addition to any beautiful setup. For those of us like myself who love keeping triggers but also like keeping other fish, boy do I have the solution for you. Here we have the blue-throated trigger. These guys are a peaceful trigger both peaceful towards other fish and reef safe. But they keep all the fun, activity, and limitless personality of all other trigger species. And who could say no to that little face? And for our final fish of the week, you guessed it, another wrasse. And there he goes. This little active, curious guy is the Sixlined Rass. And not only are they fun, adorable, and just a general joy to keep, but they're also beneficial. These guys will eat both bristleworms and the flatworms that can infect corals, making them both a fun and beneficial addition to any aquarium. That brings us to the end of this week's saltwater video. Hope you enjoyed it. Would love to see you guys around, and I'll see you next week.